So one thing we know about binary search tree is that when we do in-order traversal on binary search tree, we get the elements in sorted order, right? So in-order traversal gives us elements in sorted order. And how we do in-order traversal? First we traverse the left subtree, right? Then we traverse the root, and then we traverse the right subtree. This gives us all the elements in increasing order. But in the given problem, we have to find the kth largest. So let's say in our in-order traversal is something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's say this is my in-order, which I got from the in-order traversal on this BST. Then if someone says that what is the third largest, and I can say that this is first largest, this is second largest, and this is third largest. My answer will be 5, right? So we should traverse this BST in the reverse manner. Like instead of traversing from lowest to highest, we should traverse it from highest to lowest. And in every iteration I can decrease the value of k. So if my value of k is 3, then after traversing 7 I'll decrease it to 2. After 6 I'll decrease it to 1, and at 5 I'll decrease it to 0. So whenever I get a 0, I can say that I got my number. That's my answer. So we can create a global variable. Let's say int answer. Then we can do in-order traversal. Now how to do the in-order traversal in reverse manner? Just replace these two recursive calls. First traverse the right subtree, then traverse the left subtree. So this is my root, then I have left subtree, then I have my right subtree. So first of all, traverse this right subtree instead of traversing this left subtree. First traverse right subtree, then the root, and then left subtree. So this is how our recursion call will look like. Let's say the name of my function is augs. So I'll do a recursion call on right subtree, and after that I'll write some code here to process the value of root. And then I'll traverse my left subtree. In this manner I am traversing the BST in sorted order, but from highest to lowest in decreasing manner, right? And also we have to place a base condition here so that we don't end up in infinite loop. So if root is null, just simply stop the calls and return from here, right? So this will be my function augs. Okay, it accepts the root of the tree and makes a in-order traversal in decreasing order. So what will we do here? Here is the this is our critical section where we will do the main work. So here if k is equal to 0, then we got the answer. Then we can store answer equal to root arrow data. Okay, if k is not equal to 0, then we will just decrease the k by 1 unit. Right. So in my traversal, first we spot 7, and if my k is equal to 3, then 7 is not my answer. Then I'll decrease it by 1, so it will become 2. Then I go to 6, still my k is not equal to 0. Then I go to 5, right? So this way I can get the answer, and I can call this function, and we have to make this k also a global variable, right? So that we can keep the track of value of k at every point of time. So if I show you the entire code, how it works. So I have made this answer as a global variable. Here k also is a global variable, and is my main function. Initially I'm keeping the value of k as k minus 1, so that when it's k equal to 0, let's say if k is equal to 1, then it will be my first, or I can say the largest element is my answer, first largest. So that's why if k equal to 0, answer will be root arrow data. And I'm calling this function here aux equal to aux, and passing the root as my initial parameter. And if it is my base case, first I'm doing a right subtree traversal, then I'm processing the root, right? And I'm also decreasing the k by 1 unit, and then I'm doing left subtree.